Today we're making beef tapa. We'll be using 1 kilo of beef yakiniku. So these are thinly sliced pieces of beef. It's like as thin as bacon. And I like to use beef yakiniku because there's a lot of fat, and because there's a lot of fat, there's a lot of flavor. Let's start by slicing our garlic. So this is 1 whole head of garlic. So this should be good. Okay, next step, let's marinate the beef. So I already dropped in the garlic. Add soy sauce, about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup. Add lots of pepper. Remember, that's a kilo of beef. Add about 2 tablespoons of muscovado sugar. And last, add liquid seasoning. Not too much. Then mix. Just make sure that all that beef is coated with the marinade. Okay. And let this marinate for at least 3 hours. Overnight is okay. So our beef has been marinating for 4 hours. I have here a preheated pan. No need to add oil because there's a lot of fat on the beef. So just put in the beef. As we cook this, we will be rendering the fat from the beef, and we'll cook the beef in its own fat. So you can see the oils coming out. So it depends on you how cooked you want your meat to be. For me, I like to toast it so it becomes a bit crunchy. But at this point, when all that pink color is gone, this is actually good to go. But again, as mentioned, for me, I like to toast it so you get a bit of crunch. So I'll cook it some more. Okay, so now we're seeing a lot more caramelization. We're almost there. Okay, so this is as far as I want to cook it. Most of the pieces have caramelization already, but you can still see some lighter colored pieces. That's fine. Okay. Now what you can do at this point is put the meat on one side. Just like that. Then tilt your pan, so rest it somewhere stable so that the oil will drip to one side like that. So you can use the oil to fry vegetables or maybe for your fried rice. That already has a lot of flavor in it. So that is purely beef fat. Next, let's complete the meal. So in a preheated pan, separate pan, I saved some of the oil from the beef tapa earlier. So use some of that. Bit more. Put in your chopped garlic. Okay, once you've browned it, add in your rice. Season with salt and pepper. Okay, rice is done. Let's set that aside. Last step is let's cook some eggs. So using the same pan, so we just remove the fried rice, add in olive oil. So I'll be cooking 2 eggs, sunny side up. Season with salt and pepper. So you want to cook that evenly. Get some of the oil, put it on top. And that's done. Take it off the heat. Now let's plate. Now let's taste. Start with cracking the yolk. So charred outside and runny yolks. That's how I like my eggs. Okay. Get some egg, some of the tapa, then some rice. That's a good breakfast meal there. And we're done.